Hi, this is Raksha from Team Calilio.
Today, let's look at how you can generate call transcriptions in the Calilio. First, go to Number Settings. From the three dots menu here below Numbers on the left hand side navigation panel and click on Number Settings. As soon as you reach this interface, scroll down below to toggle on Call Transcription if it is already not toggled on, and then head on to the navigation panel again and just simply click on your number and click on the conversation that you want the call reports or call transcriptions of, and then click on this icon which says download transcribe recording. Your transcribed file will be saved. Click on that file and now you can view the PDF that is easily readable. That's it for call transcriptions. Subscribe to our channel for more Calilio content.